millet on one side and the cuttle bone on the other that he can access from this little perch. We have the hammock in the middle, which so far he hasn't really enjoyed going in there. We'll see. His mirror and his little bells. We've got this little forging thing, which he has already taken out a bunch of the little papers. We need to put more. And then one of the perches I went ahead and just curved around so that he can get to his water with his supplements in it, his fortified seed, and evenings his fruit and veggies. Let's see if he likes his new home.